Alright guys, I just bought this one last couple months ago, so I don't know the last owner. They did the tuning up, they do the spark plug on that, so I'm not sure. So I got this one from local auto part, any like AutoZone or Rayleigh's or Vaca Valley, something like that, so Napa, whatever, you know. It's just like $6-7 for each, so they gone Denso. So yep, so now I'm trying to pull it out, change the spark plug on V6 on this one. You have 3 in here and another 3 on this side. So basically I think it's not hard to do it, to maintain to do yourself. So let's start it. Alright, all the work is done right now. So it's gonna be 601, 6 new one already installed. So yep, just special right now. Have nothing to do at home. Just regular maintenance by yourself. It's easy and you know, make yourself easier. So if you like it, give me a thumb up and subscribe below. Thank you guys. Happy New Year's.